Welcome to the Rider Pro. The 2026 Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara is here with a refreshed design, smarter technology, and improved efficiency. In this video, we'll quickly cover what's new, its design highlights, features, engine options, and why it could be the best SUV in its segment. Exterior design. The 2026 Grand Vitara gets a more muscular stance with a redesigned front grille, sharper LED DRLs, and updated alloy wheels. The bold SUV look is enhanced by new color options and subtle chrome accents, giving it a premium road presence. Interior and comfort. Inside, the cabin feels more modern and spacious. You get a larger touchscreen infotainment system, a fully digital instrument cluster, premium upholstery, and improved rear seat comfort. Ventilated seats and a panoramic sunroof add to the luxury feel. Features and technology. Maruti has packed the 2026 Grand Vitara with advanced tech, including wireless Android and Apple CarPlay, a 360-degree camera, head-up display, connected car tech, and an improved sound system for a smarter driving experience. Engine and performance. The SUV continues with mild hybrid and strong hybrid engine options. The hybrid setup delivers excellent fuel efficiency, smooth city driving, and lower emissions, while still offering confident performance on highways. Safety is a big focus. With 6 airbags, ADAS features, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, hill hold assist, and a stronger body structure for better crash protection. Mileage and practicality. One of the biggest strengths of the Grand Vitara is mileage. The strong hybrid variant offers class-leading fuel efficiency, making it perfect for daily commutes and long drives alike. Expected price and launch. The 2026 Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara is expected to be competitively priced, keeping it affordable while offering premium features. It's likely to launch in India by mid to late 2026. Final verdict. With bold styling, modern features, strong hybrid technology, and trusted Maruti reliability, the 2026 Grand Vitara stands out as a smart and future-ready SUV. If you're planning to buy a fuel-efficient and feature-loaded SUV, this one deserves your attention. Like, share, and subscribe for more latest car and bike updates.